All right, ladies and gents, here we are. This is the Ford Ranger everybody's been asking for, or not. I have no idea. But as you can see, eBay Turbo 1, eBay Turbo 2. These are just cheapy T3, T4s. I've used them on 6 cylinders, 4 cylinders, whatever. Me and my buddies, great results. So what if we strap 2 of them to a 4.8? Will it scream? I guess we'll find out. As you can see, flip truck manifolds. This is a truck motor 4.8 LS1 intake. It's not bolted on yet. 480 short throw dipstick. What else? I hacked up this radiator support so I could move it forward here. Look at all that room for high performance fans, whatever the fuck. And I also dropped it down a little bit. We're gonna have a nice little intercooler there. This is gonna be pretty skookum. Again, this is a 2004, I think, Ranger. I don't know, it's not in my name yet. But there we have it, kids. Downpipes are gonna be easy, just shebang right down there. Look at this, boom, right there. This one's gonna have to figure itself out. Actually, this one goes up here. That one goes over there. And you know, flop flop. Turbo noises. Let's see a little bit of turbo action. We still have to clock the turbos. Got to flip that guy over. This one's fine here. I took out the battery tray. I think I'm gonna make a tray over here for the battery. And that's where we're at. Very nice. All right, kids, check back later. We gotta get some more work done on this turbo kit.